Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take control of your chat notifications on Telegram by customizing them to fit your style and your life. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to fine-tune alerts for private chats, groups, and channels, choose your own notification sounds, and even decide how and when you get interrupted. So if you've ever missed an important message or gotten annoyed by constant pings, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight in by opening the Telegram app. First, look towards the top left corner, the little three-line menu icon, also called the hamburger menu. Give that a tap now. From the list that drops down, select Settings. This is your control center for everything notification related. Next, let's focus in on the Notifications and Sounds section. Go ahead and tap it. Here, Telegram neatly organizes your notifications into three main categories: private chats, groups, and channels. Think of these almost like different inboxes for different parts of your Telegram life. Why is this helpful? Because maybe you want to know instantly when a close friend messages you, but you'd prefer a subtle nudge when a group chat gets lively. This is where those choices happen. Pick whichever category you want to start with, say, private chats. Tap on that. Here you'll see options to change the notification sound, toggle message previews, or enable pop-ups. Maybe you want a gentle ding for your personal chats, but something more attention-getting for your work groups. This is how you set that up. Let's say you want a completely unique sound, something more personal. Under Sound, tap the option and you'll notice you can upload sound. If you tap this, Telegram lets you choose an MP3 file directly from your computer. You could use your favorite song snippet or a sound that means something to you, completely your choice. It's almost like setting a custom ringtone on your phone, but specifically for your Telegram chats. Now back out to the main notifications screen and do the same customization for groups or channels as you prefer. Don't rush. Take a moment to think what kind of interruption suits each type of chat. There's also an option called in-app notifications. This controls the pop-up banners or alerts that show up while you're actually using Telegram. If you like to keep your chat screen clean and distraction-free, you might want to disable these. On the other hand, if you never want to miss something urgent, keeping them on means you'll be in the loop instantly. Finally, you'll see settings related to notification priority. Here you can fine-tune not just what makes a sound or pops up, but how urgently Telegram tries to grab your attention. Maybe you want to see previews of messages from certain chats, but just a quiet icon for others. It's all adjustable, and you can tweak things until your phone feels just right, so you're always as connected or as undisturbed as you want to be. Take a moment to test your changes, send yourself a message, or ask a friend to help. This step helps make sure everything sounds and shows up just the way you like, and that's it. With just a few thoughtful tweaks, you've put yourself back in charge of your Telegram notifications. No more missing the stuff that matters or being constantly interrupted by messages that don't. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions you have into the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful how-tos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.